Hi guys, it's Rebecca. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Today's video is going to be I think it's my second update? I think it's a second update for my Partners in Cream Project Pan. It's a collab that was started by Steph Lyons and Deline, and they invited a bunch of people, and it's a huge collab. And basically we want to work on our cream products or anything that is not powder, just because that stuff tends to go bad faster, and we kind of tend to avoid it because it takes longer to use. So I am working on 4 items. You're supposed to pick between 4 to 6, but I went with 4 just because I'm a wuss, I guess. Since last update, I was able to finish 1 item, and that is the blush that was in this palette from the Balm Jovi palette. And as you guys can see, I didn't even wipe the pan clean. I'm sorry that it's so dirty, but I did finish it up. As you guys can see, I started multitasking this because it's a convertible color as both a lip product and a cheek product, but just because I have another blush that I really wanted to make more progress on, I started using this as just on my lips only, and I was able to finish it. So I'm very happy to have a cream blush out of my collection. This is actually in my cream blush category, but I'm happy that I used it up and I can roll in another product. And unfortunately, I was sick at the beginning of the month for 2 weeks, so I didn't wear makeup for 2 weeks. And I feel like if I had if I was healthy and if I had continued using my products as I usually do, I would have had this next product finished, but I didn't. And I am talking about the Tatra Silk Canvas primer. And that is how much, oh, can you guys even see? It's the light. Kind of, sort of. You guys can see I have hit pan or bottom of the jar already. And I only have kind of on the sides. I love this primer. This primer is super, super good. And I think all my makeup agrees with it. I haven't had a problem with it interfering or balling up with my skincare or my foundation or anything like that. I really do enjoy it. And like I said, I think I would have had this finished had I worn makeup the whole month like I usually do. But I didn't, so hopefully by next update this guy will be finished. I really like it. I hear that e.l.f. has a dupe for it, so I think I'm gonna purchase, or I would like to purchase the dupe. You know, honestly, I probably won't just because I have so many primers to work through right now, but I would consider purchasing the dupe just to make sure that it is comparable to this one. And this is actually a product that I would probably pay full price for. I like it that much, so it's really, really good. And I know Tara from Tara Scott, she's panning the full size in her 20 in 2020, and she really likes it too. So that is that one. Then the next one that I have here has a little bit of progress, not too much, and I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. Let me clean it up a little bit. I should have done this before, but that is what the pan is looking like. As you guys can see, I have mainly just the outer pan, if you want to call it that, and I am mixing it with another foundation that's a little bit lighter, just so I can use it. This is did I even say? This is the palette foundation, the foundation palette. What is wrong with me? Foundation palette from e.l.f. in the color light medium. And this is the darkest shade that comes here. I started using it as a cream bronzer. I didn't quite like how that looked, so I started mixing it with a lighter foundation to make it match my color and use it as a foundation. The thing is, this is kind of heavy, and it looks kind of heavy on my face. As much as I want to blend it out and set it with powder, it just looks thick and cakey. So I do use it. I only use it when say I'm just going to the store or running a quick errand. I don't wear it if I'm gonna be wearing makeup all day, which lately has been the case because I've just been working and working and working. So I don't know if I'm gonna have much progress on this guy later on, unless if I just don't care what I look like at work and I just decide to use it just for the sake of using this product up. But not my favorite. I really did enjoy the other three colors. I was able to make them work and they suited me well. But I think it's because I'm mixing this with another foundation that's a little bit also a little bit more full coverage. That maybe that's the problem. Maybe I should be mixing it with a foundation that's lighter coverage. But unfortunately, that one foundation is the lightest one that I have. The only one that needs darkening. So that's why I'm using it with this one. So hopefully by next update, I can make a little bit more progress. And then the next update product that I have is for this foundation from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. This is the stick foundation. I did not use this a single time since my last update. And you guys remember this is broken from the base, but that is still, it hasn't changed. That is still how much product I have. And I don't know. The reason why I have two foundations here, I was hoping to use this as a bronzer and then this as a foundation, but since this didn't quite work as a bronzer, I kind of have to just use one at a time. I only have one face. And since I didn't wear makeup for 2 weeks, this guy just got forgotten this last month. But since I was able to finish that cream bronzer, that cream blush from the Balm, I can roll another product in, and I am rolling in this LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. This is a deluxe size sample, and this was brand new this morning, but I did use it this morning to do my makeup. It works okay. So we'll see how much product is in here. This has 4.5 ml, so it has quite a bit of generous amount, and I only use it here. I've heard a lot of good things about this. A while back, the hype kind of has died down a little bit, but so far for the first impression that from today that I used it for the first time, it worked okay, and hopefully I'll like it throughout the whole usage of this little tube. So there you go, guys. That is my update for my Partisan Cream. For next update, I think I'm only gonna have one product finished, and it's this Tatra primer. Other than that, I don't foresee myself finishing anything. So it is what it is. What can you do? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.